Did you know that drinking hibiscus water the wrong way could actually be dangerous for your health? What is more worrying is that 90% of people who regularly drink hibiscus flower water do not know all of these mistakes that can lead to serious health complications. Today I'm revealing the 6 most dangerous mistakes people make with hibiscus water and exactly how to avoid them. The healing power of hibiscus flower, also known as jamaica flower, is truly remarkable. Hibiscus is packed with natural compounds like flavonoids, anthocyanins, phenols, and organic acids that support overall wellness, making it a popular choice for those looking to boost their health while enjoying a refreshing drink. The petals are especially valuable, rich in vitamins A, B1, C, E, and essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, iron, and calcium. When used properly, it can maximize the natural benefits for our body, but making just one mistake can be counterproductive and even dangerous. Let's start with the most dangerous mistake that could literally be life-threatening. Mistake 1: mixing hibiscus with medications. This first mistake is absolutely the most dangerous thing you can do, and it's happening in households everywhere. Mixing hibiscus water with certain medications can cause serious, potentially life-threatening interactions that most people have no idea about. The most dangerous interaction is with paracetamol, also known as acetaminophen. When you drink hibiscus tea while taking this common pain reliever, it can cause severe liver complications. Here's exactly what happens in your body. Hibiscus contains compounds that affect how your liver processes medications. When combined with paracetamol, this can lead to toxic buildup in your liver, potentially causing permanent damage. But paracetamol isn't the only concern. Hibiscus also dangerously interacts with birth control pills and hormonal medications. The flower contains natural estrogen-like compounds that can interfere with hormonal drugs, making them less effective or causing unpredictable hormonal changes in women. Another critical interaction is with hydrochlorothiazide, a diuretic medication used for high blood pressure and heart conditions. Since hibiscus also has strong diuretic effects, combining these can cause excessive urination, severe dehydration, and dangerous drops in blood pressure. Here's the complete list of medications that have dangerous interactions with hibiscus: chloroquine, diclofenac, losartan, all anti-diabetic medications, antidepressants, simvastatin, any drugs metabolized in the liver, blood pressure herbs and supplements like arginine and niacin, blood sugar supplements like chromium and bitter melon, and all ACE inhibitors. If you're diabetic and using injectable insulin, this combination is particularly dangerous because hibiscus can dramatically enhance insulin's effects, potentially causing severe hypoglycemia that could put you in a coma. The solution is simple but crucial. Always consult your doctor before starting hibiscus if you're taking any medications. Never assume natural means safe when it comes to drug interactions. Mistake 2: unsafe timing, surgery, and pregnancy. This next mistake could literally be life-threatening, yet most people have no idea about these critical timing restrictions. If you're scheduled for surgery, you must stop drinking hibiscus water at least 2 weeks before your procedure. Here's why this is so dangerous. Hibiscus can significantly reduce blood glucose levels during surgery, creating a condition called hypoglycemia that can be life-threatening when you're under anesthesia. Surgeons need your blood sugar levels to be stable and predictable during operations. Additionally, hibiscus contains compounds that have effects similar to blood pressure medications like enalapril and captopril. During surgery, this can cause your blood pressure to drop dangerously low, especially when combined with anesthetic drugs. For pregnant women, hibiscus poses serious risks that most people don't know about. Drinking hibiscus water during pregnancy can cause spontaneous abortions or premature births. The compounds in hibiscus can stimulate uterine contractions and affect hormone levels in ways that threaten pregnancy. Children under 12 years old should also avoid hibiscus completely. There simply haven't been enough safety studies conducted to verify that it's safe for developing bodies and organ systems. The key here is timing and awareness. If you're planning surgery, mark your calendar to stop hibiscus consumption exactly 2 weeks before. If you're pregnant or trying to conceive, avoid hibiscus entirely. And if you have young children, keep hibiscus tea away from them regardless of how natural it seems. Mistake 3. Excessive consumption. The third mistake affects thousands of people who think that more hibiscus means better results. The reality is that hibiscus has powerful effects on your digestive system that can quickly become problematic when consumed in excess. Hibiscus has both diuretic and laxative effects. When you drink more than a liter of hibiscus water per day, you're setting yourself up for frequent watery stools and digestive distress. The laxative effect can become so strong that it disrupts your daily life and leads to nutrient malabsorption. But the digestive issues are just the beginning. The diuretic effect, while helpful for reducing fluid retention, becomes dangerous when excessive. Drinking too much hibiscus can lead to severe dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. Your body starts losing essential minerals like potassium, sodium, and magnesium faster than you can replace them. Here's what happens in your body. As hibiscus forces your kidneys to produce more urine, you lose not just excess water, but also crucial electrolytes that your heart, muscles, and nervous system need to function properly. This can lead to muscle cramps, irregular heartbeat, weakness, and in severe cases, dangerous cardiac arrhythmias. The signs you're consuming too much include frequent urination more than once per hour, loose stools more than 3 times per day, dizziness when standing up, muscle cramping, and feeling weak or fatigued despite getting enough sleep. The safe consumption guideline is no more than 24 ounces, which equals approximately 3 cups per day. This amount has been proven safe in clinical studies for up to 6 weeks of continuous use. Remember, with herbal remedies like hibiscus, more is definitely not better. Mistake 4. Sweetening with sugar. This fourth mistake is incredibly common and completely undermines one of hibiscus's most powerful health benefits. Adding sugar to your hibiscus water doesn't just reduce its effectiveness, it actually works against your health in multiple ways. Hibiscus water has been scientifically proven to reduce blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Research from the Medical University of Silesia in Poland found that hibiscus extract increases serum insulin levels by regenerating pancreatic beta cells. This is incredible news for anyone dealing with diabetes, prediabetes, or insulin resistance. But here's the problem. When you add sugar to your hibiscus water, you're completely negating these blood sugar benefits. The added sugar causes blood glucose spikes that directly counteract hibiscus's natural ability to regulate blood sugar levels. It gets worse. Regular sugar consumption, especially in drinks, has been directly linked to increased risk of type 2 diabetes, chronic inflammation, weight gain, obesity, and fatty liver disease. A study published by the American Diabetes Association confirmed that people who frequently consume sugary drinks have a significantly higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The sugar also interferes with hibiscus's ability to support weight loss. Hibiscus naturally helps reduce body fat, particularly abdominal fat, by acting directly on adipose cells. But when you add sugar, you're providing your body with quick energy that gets stored as fat, especially around your midsection. Instead of sugar, try these healthier alternatives. Add a slice of fresh lemon for vitamin C and natural flavor. Include a cinnamon stick, which actually enhances blood sugar benefits. Try fresh ginger for digestive support and anti-inflammatory effects. Or add a few fresh mint leaves for a refreshing taste without any calories. If you absolutely must have sweetness, use a tiny amount of raw honey. But understand that even natural sweeteners will reduce some of hibiscus's blood sugar benefits. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a future episode. Feel free to share it with your friends too. It helps support the channel, and I'm excited to keep bringing you even more fascinating content. Mistake 5. Wrong dosage of extracts. The next mistake sounds contradictory because hibiscus is widely praised for supporting liver health. but taking it in the wrong form or excessive amounts can actually cause liver damage instead of protection. Here's what most people don't understand about hibiscus extracts and capsules. They can contain extremely concentrated levels that far exceed what's safe for daily consumption. Some laboratory studies found that consuming 300 milligrams of hibiscus extract per day for 3 months generated dangerously elevated levels of liver enzymes. Let me put this in perspective for you. 300 milligrams of extract is equivalent to drinking approximately 15 to 20 cups of regular hibiscus tea per day. That's far more than anyone should reasonably consume, but it's easy to reach this level when taking concentrated capsules without realizing it. Liver enzymes help your liver metabolize nutrients and process toxins, but when these enzyme levels become extremely high, they can actually damage liver tissue instead of protecting it. The problem occurs mainly with manipulated extracts or capsules that can contain very high concentrations or be mixed with other substances that become hepatotoxic. The irony is devastating. Instead of taking care of your liver, you could be damaging it. This is especially dangerous because liver damage often occurs silently without obvious symptoms until the damage becomes severe. However, other studies have confirmed significant benefits for liver health from moderate consumption of hibiscus tea. The key difference is the form and dosage. Natural hibiscus tea contains beneficial anthocyanins whose antioxidant action protects liver tissue from cellular oxidation and fat accumulation. If you choose to use hibiscus extracts, be extremely careful about dosage. Studies that showed benefits used 20 to 40 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, divided into 2 to 3 doses per day. But many commercial extracts don't provide clear dosage information or may be combined with other substances like caffeine that increase the risk. The safest approach is to stick with natural hibiscus tea prepared from dried flowers or tea bags, where you can control the concentration and avoid the risks associated with highly concentrated extracts. Mistake 6: drinking before bedtime. The last mistake guarantees a night of disrupted sleep and multiple bathroom trips, yet many people drink hibiscus tea in the evening thinking it will help them relax. As we said before, hibiscus has a powerful diuretic effect, meaning it increases urine production significantly. When you add the water content needed to prepare the tea, you're setting yourself up for a night of frequent urination that will completely disrupt your natural sleep cycle. Here's what happens to your body during normal sleep. Urine production naturally decreases at night, allowing you to sleep for 6 to 8 hours without interruption. But drinking 1 or 2 glasses of hibiscus tea before bed disrupts this natural process, forcing your kidneys to continue producing large amounts of urine throughout the night. This means you'll wake up multiple times to urinate, fragmenting your sleep and preventing you from completing full sleep cycles. Each time you wake up, it takes your body time to return to deep sleep, so even if you sleep for 8 hours, you won't get quality rest. The health consequences of this sleep disruption are more serious than most people realize. Poor sleep quality directly contributes to increased blood pressure, weight gain, high cholesterol levels, weakened immune function, and increased stress hormone production. Additionally, when you don't complete your natural sleep cycles, you'll feel exhausted throughout the day, irritable, and have difficulty concentrating. Your cognitive performance suffers, and your body's ability to regulate hormones and repair tissues becomes impaired. The solution is simple but important. Consume your hibiscus tea earlier in the day. The best times are mid-morning, early afternoon, or with meals. If you want an evening beverage that promotes relaxation, choose caffeine-free herbal teas like chamomile, valerian root, or passion flower that don't have diuretic effects. Incredible health benefits. When you avoid these 6 dangerous mistakes, hibiscus water provides remarkable health benefits that are backed by solid scientific research. For blood pressure control, hibiscus has been proven as effective as some prescription medications. The flavonoids in hibiscus produce vasodilation, relaxing and expanding artery walls, which improves circulation and reduces pressure on your cardiovascular system. Weight loss support is another powerful benefit. Clinical studies showed that consuming hibiscus extract for 12 weeks significantly reduced body weight, BMI, body fat, and waist-to-hip ratio. The compounds in hibiscus act directly on fat cells, particularly targeting stubborn abdominal fat. Blood sugar regulation makes hibiscus valuable for diabetes prevention and management. Research demonstrates that hibiscus increases insulin sensitivity and helps regenerate pancreatic beta cells, the cells responsible for insulin production. Liver protection occurs through hibiscus's rich antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins that reduce cellular damage and improve fat metabolism. Animal studies show reduced markers of liver damage in subjects consuming appropriate amounts of hibiscus. Cancer protection potential comes from hibiscus's powerful antioxidant effects that neutralize free radicals responsible for cellular damage. Laboratory studies indicate hibiscus may slow the growth of prostate, oral, and stomach cancer cells. Additional benefits include anxiety reduction, since hibiscus contains no caffeine and promotes natural relaxation, fatigue reduction through anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, and improved digestion when consumed 30 minutes before meals. The safe way to enjoy hibiscus benefits. Now knowing both the pitfalls and the benefits, let me share the correct way to prepare and consume hibiscus water to maximize benefits while ensuring safety. For preparation, you can use individual tea bags just like other herbal teas. Place one bag in a cup, add hot water, let the tea release for 3 to 5 minutes, remove the bag, and enjoy. If using dried hibiscus flowers, crush them lightly and use 1 to 2 tablespoons per 250 milliliters of water. Bring to a boil for 3 to 5 minutes for hot tea. For cold preparation, add 2 tablespoons of dried flowers to a liter of hot water. Let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes, strain out the flowers, and refrigerate. For overnight cold brewing, immerse tea bags or dried flowers in a pitcher of water and leave overnight in the refrigerator. The recommended dosage based on clinical studies is 1.25 to 10 grams per day, with 1.25 grams equivalent to 1 tea bag. Most studies showing health benefits use 2 to 3 cups per day for 6 weeks. This provided blood pressure reduction of 7 to 8 points systolic and 3 to 4 points diastolic. You can enhance hibiscus tea with safe additions like cinnamon for blood sugar support, fresh ginger for anti-inflammatory effects, lemon for vitamin C, or fresh mint for digestive benefits. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners that counteract the health benefits. Monitor your body's response when starting hibiscus consumption. Pay attention to any changes in urination patterns, digestive function, blood pressure symptoms, or energy levels. If you experience any unusual effects, reduce the amount or discontinue use. Important cases requiring special caution. Although hibiscus is a natural food, this doesn't automatically mean it's safe for everyone in every situation. There are specific groups of people who need to exercise extreme caution or avoid hibiscus entirely, even when following proper preparation methods. People with autoimmune conditions should be particularly careful because hibiscus can stimulate immune system activity, which might worsen conditions like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, or multiple sclerosis, where the immune system is already overactive. Individuals with gastroesophageal reflux disease or chronic heartburn may find that hibiscus worsens their symptoms. The natural acids in hibiscus can increase stomach acid production, leading to more frequent or severe acid reflux episodes. Those with iron deficiency anemia should use caution because hibiscus contains compounds called tannins that can interfere with iron absorption from food and supplements, potentially worsening existing iron deficiency. People with eating disorders or a history of restrictive eating should avoid using hibiscus as a weight loss tool. The appetite-suppressing and diuretic effects can be psychologically triggering and may enable unhealthy restriction behaviors. Individuals with chronic fatigue syndrome or adrenal insufficiency may find that hibiscus's effects on blood pressure and electrolyte balance worsen their symptoms, particularly the tendency toward low blood pressure and dehydration. Anyone scheduled for medical tests that require fasting should stop hibiscus consumption at least 48 hours beforehand, as it can affect certain blood markers and potentially skew test results. The key message here is that even natural substances can have powerful effects on your body. Your individual health profile, medical history, and current treatments all factor into whether hibiscus is appropriate for you. When in doubt, always consult with a healthcare professional who knows your medical history. Conclusion: our journey through the world of hibiscus tea reveals a fundamental truth about natural remedies. Their inherent power demands our respect and understanding. This is about more than just avoiding a list of mistakes. It's about shifting our mindset from that of a passive consumer to an informed partner in our own wellness. The ultimate goal is not to create fear around this remarkable flower, but to empower you with the knowledge to harness its profound benefits. You are now equipped to integrate hibiscus into your life, not just as a beverage, but as a potent tool for health, ensuring every sip is both safe and truly therapeutic. If you found this message helpful, please share it with friends or family so we can all work together to protect our health. We'd love to hear your questions, experiences, or results, so feel free to leave a comment below. And if this video has helped you better understand your body and discover natural ways to live healthier and longer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming content on health and longevity. The most important step is always the one you take for your own health. Before making hibiscus a regular part of your wellness routine, consult with your healthcare provider. Turn this knowledge into wise action and make the best decision for your unique health situation.